Hey everyone, my name is Ryan and I run a wedding photography and videography studio called Forge in the North based in Brooklyn, New York, along with my wife Heidi. And I wanted to jump in today and show you a little bit about Bloom, which is a CRM that we use. It's an absolute lifesaver for us. It does so many things for our studio. I'm just going to jump in and give you a quick top 3 of my favorite features. So the first one is the client-facing invoices, which you can get to right here on any project. And I love how simple these are, how straightforward they are for our clients. It's very fast and easy for any client to see exactly what's in their invoice, what they're ordering in their packages. They have access to their contract right at the bottom. This client is a past client, but normally if it's a new client, they would have an option to even pay right here, which you can do. You can have payments through ACH or credit card. It's just a fast and easy way that you can get all your information to your clients. You just use this link. You can send it to them via email or through Bloom itself. This is just an amazing thing for us. So we have so many different invoices for different clients, and it really speeds things up for us and allows our clients to see things as simply as possible. The next feature I wanted to talk to you about was the task board here. So we have multiple shooters in our studio and we have a lot of different projects going at once. So this is just a quick drop down on all the projects Heidi and I have. These are ones that are either older projects that haven't been completely finished or upcoming projects for the next year or two. And so as you can see, it's really helpful for us to have just sort of this gridded out task board of where these projects are, whether the contract signed, payments have come in. We have things more on like post-production on this side of the task board. And this just really helps us keep track of everything. So you can kind of do these drop downs for each of our shooters and see kind of where each person is at. And that gives us like a very quick overview of each shooter's projects and where they are in their workflow on those projects. The last thing I wanted to mention was how nice and easy it is to onboard clients. So we usually send clients a link here to get ready to book with us. And it basically just collects all of their basic information, their name, email, addresses, different things that we're going to need for the contract or for that project. And all of that gets brought into Bloom. And if I just click on really any project here, we can see right here at the top from that lead capture form on any past client who has filled this out, all of their information right here. And it's just like a really nice and easy way for us to get everything we need to prep their invoice, to prep their contract, their payments, all of that kind of stuff. A couple of things I'll mention as well as just sort of like honorable mentions that are outside of my top 3 are the automations. And those are really powerful tool within Bloom. It allows us to basically set the project date and have any kind of questionnaires, emails automatically go out to them based on that project date, based on payments coming in. It really speeds things up so we don't have to be manually going in and sending clients reminders to do something. Bloom is handling all of that in the background. And I would say the other honorable mention I'm gonna make here is how fast it is to change an invoice. So you just go to any project and right here, you can add any kind of new item. So, for instance, if I wanted to just add an engagement shoot, boom, it's done right there. So quick, so easy. Save right here and your clients are gonna get a notification to check out that invoice, to make a updated payment if they have to do that. It's just so fast and easy to get things changed around in a project for your clients. So anyway, those are just some of my favorite things about Bloom, and it has so much to offer for your business. Dive in, take a look, and I hope you enjoy it.